number 2.
Day 2.
It's actually nighttime, so night 2.
Those are not toys, Felix. Those are mommy kitchen things.
Mommy kitchen.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Anyway, guys, so in our previous video vlog, you see
guys
us
saw we went to home and you.
home and you. So we got some goodies. Yes, we go inside here and we get crazy with all the things. But believe you me, they add up. So be careful if you go there and you say, oh my God, this is $4, this is for $2, this is for $3.
I got my
It add
spoon.
up. So we got some spoon. Show them, Felix.
Show them the spoon.
Show them the spoon. Show.
Got some
What's up?
spoons.
Yes, I love the colors. The colors is banging.
We also got a spatula.
We got a new strainer because the one we have looking ugly.
We have the lemon squeezer.
Yes. We get some plates, some bowls, because you guys know I cook a lot home, so you know things to preserve the food. If I have something leave back, I could just put it in and put it down. And it wasn't expensive. It was for $2 and you get a 25% discount. So I think you pay like 80 cents for one. Yes, so yeah, we got this nice Christmas rug to put underneath the Christmas tree, because we get a Christmas tree and you guys going to see how we decorate it. I get
Put it up and decorate it.
some Santa hats for the kids. Put on your hat, Felix. Merry Christmas hat. We get some hat there, and we get some balls for the Christmas tree. I already have.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I already have some already, so we just get some to go with it for more.
Guys, these have writings on them, which is super cute.
Super cute. We get some bows because you know it's Christmas.
Wait,
Yeah.
Wait, oh no.
We got these decoration bells.
Decoration bell.
Oh, it's super cute.
We got 2 new picture frame. I like them. I like the pattern. You know, like what they bring on top. I like it. It look like, you know, a little bit of old fashioned. I like those type of things. And we get one more because Kisara says she want this one to put her dad picture in. So we get that for Kisara. We get some Christmas lights to go on the tree. Yes. We get some star. Kisara was showing me a different star, but I didn't see it until I come out. So I'm wondering I should take back this one tomorrow with the receipt and ask them to give me another one. What do you guys
The
think?
next
Take
one
it back.
is
Comment
way
below.
bigger.
Comment below and tell us.
We got these trees to put on the Christmas tree. Glittery, super glittery.
We have this one.
A tiny ball.
And yeah, and we got 2 cushions because we need them, because we're going to decorate the living hall in red. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. You're going to see us for 23 days straight. Every day we'll be posting a video, a vlog of what we doing with food, with fun, with activities and everything. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. And remember to put God first in everything you do. Say Merry Christmas, kids, Felix. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Love you all. Bye. Stay tuned for our next video. Can't wait to put it out when you guys see how we spend the night decorating our Christmas tree. We love you guys. Bye. Mwah.